Last night, I found something pretty insane on Facebook Marketplace. Let's go buy a car.
I think he was saying.
Oh, the white
is that
hood.
it? That's it! And there it is!
I love it already.
Okay, let's go check it out. Let's see what it looks like.
Sick. I appreciate it, dude. I'm Gavin, that's me. We were looking for like a cheap project car that actually works good.
Okay. It's a project car.
I can smell a little oil, so I assume it.
30-year-old BMW things.
Okay. A little noisy.
Yeah.
Do you know what the check engine light's for? Or no?
I mean, it's decently rough. It's got a little squeaks and little things here and there, but it's pretty good overall, I will say.
I can see it being a really fun car.
Yeah, me too.
Really fun.
Oh. Okay. E-brake work.
Nice.
I have an idea here.
Okay. All right, here's my pitch. That right there is 2,000.
Okay.
As long as the title is clean, I can pitch some more to you as well.
I got the title.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, which is kind of hard to find on a 30-year-old car.
2,200.
That's what I was going to come back with. So.
Okay, well there you go.
All right.
That's for you.
Perfect.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I got a bill of sale.
We just scored a freaking 30-year-old BMW that is in surprisingly good shape. It does need some things, okay?
It's a 1996.
I gotta put some respect on this car, to be honest. I should have stood on it. Hey,
This thing OG.
yeah, for real. It's got a little oil leak, but that's all right. Like he said, 30-year-old BMW things. I mean, this thing starts right up. Not the craziest, fastest thing in the world, but honestly not too bad at all. And this thing has a pretty good amount of torque to it. I mean, it's very, very peppy for what it is. Dang good. We're gone. I mean, honestly, this is pretty solid for a 30-year-old BMW. This is pretty good. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my, okay, what the heck? The freaking shifter just came off. Golly, dude, this thing rips. I mean, if this thing had an exhaust on it, ooh, if this thing makes it home, I'm gonna be shocked, honestly. This is crazy. Oh yeah, we're going. Escalade's keep it up. Oh my gosh, I'm full throttle to the floor right now. Wow. Oh my gosh, this thing is fast. Oh yeah, it's not bad. This is kind of quick. The Escalade. Brother, we are cooking in this little BMW right now.
Raindrop.
Might have messed something up there. Hello. What you got?
Got a guitar.
Nice.
I don't stress the money.
Me too.
Don't tell me. Yeah!
This is officially the 6 Racing Team race car. Check it out.
Can I sit in it?
Yeah, you can sit in it. I have one stipulation. This car is for all of us. However, it costed money. I would like to recoup that money through winning races. So we gotta figure out how to build this car to be something that you guys can drive and make money back.
I will drive the hell out of this thing.
Oh my gosh,
Lanny's gonna freak.
See if you can fit in there.
Bro, Lanny's gonna freak out when he sees this.
He is, yeah.
That's not even that bad.
It's really not. Oh, hello.
Hey, that's cute.
It is, huh?
It's so small. Damn, it's tiny.
6 Racing Team race car.
That's cute.
This
perfect.
For real. This is the cheapest possible BMW that you could imagine buying. And it has tons of problems, but that's the fun. This is what I was mentioning on the road. Watch how crazy that.
Oh my god.
Dude, like,
It's about to pop a wheelie.
I think maybe someone cheated on someone and they said, like, you can literally do this. So I don't know if it's, see what I mean? The title is clean on it. It's never been wrecked. It has no major issues. It ran and drive here perfect. A towel, ooh. Be careful with that. That's nasty. apparently this was in the trunk. We got a manila folder. It seems like the car has actually been maintained pretty well. New spark plugs, faulty camshaft sensor, replaced convertible top. It got a new thermostat. It got a new radiator, water pump, clutch master cylinder, AC cables, seatbelt latch. I wouldn't even think that this many things would go wrong on a car with only 170,000 miles, but this is impressive. Guide pin output shaft seal, shift shaft seal, pilot bearing, clutch assembly, pivot pin. 30 years worth of like maintenance and different things is kind of cool. Now it makes you like understand how cool the car is, I guess, and how much it's been through.
Dang, car dirty.
Ain't even off-road?
For real? What you? Where you been? The desert?
What happened?
It's on the car.
Yeah, there's just a pretty good clue.
Turn around. I have something crazy to show you. All right, so y'all have all learned to drive pretty dang well at this point. Pretty cool stuff been going on. Turn around and check out what I got for everybody.
Dude, I saw this on Facebook! Oh my god, wait! That's so cool! This is legit the one I saw. That is so sick. I even told Roman, I was like, you should go grab this. Like,
Say hello to the 6 Racing Team car. This is gonna be our competitive race car.
no way.
Yep, so I'm gonna let all of y'all
That's
compete in race events, like professional race events, using this car. Whether it be drifting, autocross, time attack, we're gonna build this to be something
Holy
crazy.
crap, thank you.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
so
of
cool.
course, absolutely.
Wow. Can't wait to start wrenching on it. That's so
I
cool.
know. Pop the hood real quick on it if you don't mind. A little, you know, rough around the edges,
Yeah.
but I can see some real potential here. 6
Wow.
rear wheel drive, the cheapest one, the best car.
The greatest.
And I gotta be honest too, I was shocked so far at how much I enjoy it compared to a Miata.
Really?
Yeah, I would actually probably rank this higher than I would a Miata. This is a pretty good car.
Really?
Yeah. The only thing that we're not really certain about right now is why it's this loose with the suspension.
It's really decent for like that era of E36s too. Like this is pretty clean to follow
Yeah.
like this. I mean,
Not terrible.
yeah.
I did absolutely notice whenever we were walking down the driveway though, there's just a massive pool of oil. And while we had the hood popped, I saw even more detrimental things that I don't even want to talk about yet. I tried to drift it on the way home. It didn't really go that well. It looked like only one tire was spinning. So I think it might have an open diff. However, there's only one way that I know of to find out if it is an open diff. So
Full send it.
I can smell some oil. It's fun too? It did both. And just like that, we confirm, I'm pretty sure that we have an LSD rear end in this car. That's what we needed. Dang, 2. Let's go.
Dude, look at all the way down. Look.
Okay, yeah. So I think we actually could do some drifting. Maybe it's just so underpowered right now that I can't hardly get it sideways, but we can figure that out too.
I've only seen them, I've never
drop the clutch.
sat on. Oh gosh.
Just slip the clutch. There you go. Don't dump it. You're letting it out.
Damn it.
The way it's bouncing.
Alright.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's alright. There we go. We're actuating some gears now. I see it. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Snapped into this thing and
Appreciate it.
we're driving.
Hello.
Do anything good?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Definitely, definitely some learning still.
Can I for like 1 second? I just want to try to get it out of neutral.
Half an inch and hold it.
Why is the clutch shaking like that?
Oh, here we go.
Bro, that pedal is vibrating like.
Alright, e-brakes down. Oh, no. We should have signed something. Are you gonna replace this if you crash this?
Until this thing gets fixed.
Fixed!
This is why we let Gavin drive.
Dude, that thing was crazy. See how bouncy it is.
Oh my gosh.
Getting that fly.
I don't know how he's driving. Dude, it shook once and I said no. Like, it's bouncing so much. Oh my god.
It's not broken. It works fantastic, and it's a great car, okay?
It's a phenomenal car.
Suspension is fine.
It has potential. I think with slight modifications, this thing could be a proper race car. Although, it definitely needs a lot of things.
Why is the clutch so like?
No, you want to give it a shot? You want to try and drive it?
I would love to, honestly.
I'm gonna laugh when you stall it. Okay, alright.
High stakes adventure.
Reese, chill out.
Half an inch, and he's just on.
Yeah, I really need to learn how to drive manual.
You got this.
Dude, just give me some more seat time and let me like. Oh shit, Reese!
Long story short, this car has a ton of potential. These guys are gonna get it figured out. It's not gonna take that much, okay? This is a simple car to drive, although they don't really know how to drive manual that well. So I'm still in the process of teaching them. This car is gonna be the perfect car to learn on. Someone's gonna crash it. It better not be you.
I am not gonna be the first one to crash it. If I do, we are rebuilding.
Dude, the little BMW is hilarious. I honestly like it. Dude, that is so sick. Yeah, this was a good choice. What are you rating?
A little rusty.
Did the shifter come off?
Wait, why do you? Wait, the shifter coming off is normal?
Yeah, it keeps coming off for some reason. Long story short, the 6 racing team car is gonna be really, really cool. I don't know what we're gonna do to it. I know we're gonna build it. I know it's gonna be awesome. I just need you guys' help. You watching this right now, yeah, I need your help. You comment down below, please, and let us know what we should do with this thing, what we should compete in. Because either way, we have a lot of cool stuff coming with this car. Next video, we're starting on a whole bunch of upgrades, but first, we gotta figure out what's all wrong with this car.
Dude, that's like the most fun I've had in the car anyway.
I know that this video is kind of an interruption in the 67 Camaro build, so I'm just gonna mention it really quickly, only because it's necessary to get it off the lift for the BMW to go on. Last video, you guys saw that we got this built transmission put in this car. We fixed most of the issues, although a lot of you guys were commenting, what are we gonna do about the broken block ears? This is a very cool component here, and basically, between the oil pan here and between the transmission, it just adds a lot better support than it even had from factory. Yeah, we're gonna find out right about now if this was a massive mistake or if we're actually in for something good here. Dang, the tallest hood in the shop before. Oh my god. All right, let's see what we got. What the heck?
Power steering. It's on the rack.
I don't know if it would go with this. No, that is unfortunately engine oil.
That's a lot of oil.
Whoa. Dude. Oh, golly. What in the BMW is happening? Look at the drive shaft. What is going on? Even the transmission's
Dude,
leaking oil.
the leak coming from the dead crease right there.
Wow, this is the most. Oh, the axle's going out.
Yeah, axle.
It's all that drifting.
That's why the shocks are. Oh my god. All the shock fluid is leaked out. The seals popped on the shocks, so that's why it's bouncy. Yeah, both sides.
Yeah.
What in the BMW?
With a little work, it'll be great.
I don't know if I've ever witnessed a vehicle have this many leaks before. We've got a power steering fluid leak. We've got a top valve cover leak. We've got a front timing cover leak. We've got an oil pan leaking literally onto the light.
When
The
I went to put my
transmission
hand
is
up there, it
leaking.
was leaking.
The rear diff is leaking. The shocks are leaking. Is there any other fluid that could leak? Oh, it's not leaking coolant. Woohoo!
I don't know if you should have said that.
What?
Oh god.
Oh, what in the heck? It is leaking.
It is leaking cool.
And this is why it was sold for $2,000.
Yeah, I know I'm seeing. Oh yeah, all right. Well, one thing for sure is that we may have gotten in a little over our heads. A little more than what we were expecting, but that's okay. That's the fun in it, right? So we got to figure out from this point what we're going to do with this car. Either way, we have some extremely large plans for this BMW, and you guys watching right now can comment down below because we're reading through every single comment on this video, taking into account what you guys want to see with this car. And coming up next, we definitely have a lot to do. Guess we'll see how it goes. Avoid all travel.
Reverse. Oh, units, we have a silver BMW. Oh.
Yep.